This is how you do a hurdle.
I put it on time lapse.
This is how you do a handstand hurdle.
I thought that something was nice. I'm with it.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Next, you gotta do some pushes for the handstand. And then some more.
Ready? Then
do some rolls. Make sure you don't hit your head. Then bend back a few times so you can stretch your back to not get hurt.
It's a wrap.
Touch yourself a few times.
Okay.
All together. Hurdle, handstand, push, catch,
Adopt.
do.